In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly in Framer. By the end, you'll have a clean embedded booking widget on your page so visitors can schedule time without leaving your site. First, open Framer and head into the project where you want the scheduling widget to appear. You can use any existing page or a fresh canvas. The steps are the same. At the top of the interface, click the plus icon to open the Insert panel. This panel is where Framer keeps all components you can add to your page, from basic elements to integrations. Move your cursor over the Forms category. Framer groups several interactive and third-party elements here, and Calendly lives inside this section. Hovering helps you quickly spot the right component without searching. Click Calendly and drag it onto your canvas. Drop it roughly where you want it to appear. With the layer selected, you can use the resize handles to set a comfortable width and height. A taller frame reduces internal scrolling, which usually makes the booking experience feel smoother. Look to the right side of the screen for the Properties panel. When the Calendly layer is selected, you'll see its settings in this panel. This is where you connect your scheduling link and fine-tune appearance. If you're matching an existing design system, consider aligning padding and spacing with other sections so the widget feels native to the page. If you don't already have one, create a Calendly account and copy your calendar name. That's the identifier found in your scheduling link, the handle or event path you control. It's usually the part that comes after the main Calendly domain. Back in Framer, paste that calendar name into the Calendly field on the right. Framer will fetch your booking widget and render a live preview in the canvas. If it doesn't appear immediately, double-check the spelling of your handle or event path. From here, adjust the frame size and layout until everything looks balanced. That's all it takes to add Calendly in Framer and give your visitors a fast, frictionless way to book time with you.